morning, everybody. Andy, why the heck are you always in the car? You know what? I'm just always traveling. Whoa, vibes. Welcome to another video of Ando Food and Fitness. If you're new here, my name is Andy and I like to post videos on living a healthy and positive life. So if that's something you want to do, you know, just come join, subscribe. Would love that. This weekend is going to be a fun weekend, I think. Anyways, it's going to be a wild time, but instead of me talking about it, let's go. I'll show you. Come on with my day. But I'm about to drive to Vegas because my friend is giving you and me, yes, you and me, a private Pilates session. So that will be posted on my Instagram and YouTube channel. So go check it out. Will be a fun, chill vibe. Hi. Hi. Sorry. Oh my gosh. Gosh, that was so fun. That studio was amazing. But it is currently 10:45. I actually haven't eaten anything today just because I wasn't hungry, so I was like, listen to your body or whatever. I need to go source some food, and I also need to figure out, like, do I want to go to a cafe or should I just go to my friend's house and chill? I don't know, but I have to edit the podcast for tomorrow, Sunday, and just do a few things. So anyway, I'll call my friend and see if I can go over there. Hi, I'm gonna come to you.
Yeah, no, that's fine. Alright, I'll see ya.
See ya, bye. Yes! I'm going to like one of my closest friends' place where I basically live anyway. And they have dogs, super excited. Alright. Who's that beautiful boy? Who's this? Hi! Did you come in here for some food? You're such a good boy. Guys, he's so big. Oh my gosh. Yes, you can be in the video too. Come here. Okay, so I am at my friend's place. Actually, funny story. They're not actually home, but they were like, yeah, sure. Go chill at my house. So I was like, okay. But they have very right. I'm getting very distracted by this dog here. Winston. They have a lot of dogs. Okay, this is fun. I'm home alone and there's 3 very ripe pajamas, but 3 ripe bananas. So I thought, let's make some banana bread and I'll film it because who doesn't love seeing banana bread making? I don't know, crazy people. All right, so let's do it. Haha, okay, was gonna make banana bread. However, I cannot work out how to turn on her oven. Bit of an issue, but what we're gonna do is we're gonna make no bake banana bite things. They're gonna be yummy, don't worry. It's gonna be super simple, super easy. We can do it. Well, all you're gonna need is 1 cute looking bowl, or not cute looking, I don't really mind. Some coconut flour, peanut butter, and 2 very ripe bananas, and some honey. Preferably rice malt syrup. I know that I said this is going to be sugar-free and I know honey isn't sugar-free. I don't have any rice malt syrup. I'm not in my own home. Sorry, but I would use rice malt syrup if I had it. We're going to start off peeling the 2 bananas and then just mashing them. Alright, so that should all be mashed up like that. Then we're going to need 1/2 cup of coconut flour. You should probably use a sieve, but you know, can't be bothered. Then we're going to put in 1/4 cup of peanut butter. I'm using crunchy because, you know, you can't go wrong with crunchy, can you? And then add 1/4 cup of honey, rice malt syrup, maple syrup, whatever you desire. Mix that all together. Peanut butter might be a bit of a struggle to mix. And then I'm going to crush up some walnuts and put them in there. Totally optional though. Just like a handful, you know? If you want, you can add chopped chips for this. I just don't have any. And then grab a container, probably line it, but I don't think it matters too much. Just gonna plonk it in there, and you're just gonna have it in here and just smooth it out. I'm gonna just put this in the fridge just to let it set for a bit, for about 10 minutes. And now the funnest part of all, washing up. Wow. Who's this beautiful boy? Oh my gosh, you are glowing, sister. You're glowing. Hello, Austin. Have you had a good day? Look at his paws are so sleepy. You're gonna fall asleep. You're making me sleepy, sister. Oh, it smells very banana-y. Okay, I actually decided to roll them up into balls. Super, super simple. Tastes pretty good. Let me put the lid on because otherwise your fridge is going to smell like banana. And yes, we love banana, but do we want the whole fridge to smell of it? I don't know. So that is how you make the banana bowl thingies. If you end up making it, definitely tag me in it and I'll reshare it and it'll be really cool. Tag me in my Instagram at Ando Freedom Fitness. Booyah! Now I really have to go do some work. Ugh. Caroline! Rashkin. Why do you do this? Oh, it's... Are you serious, girl? Haha, lol. I totally forgot to end my vlog. A great weekend. That evening, I went to my friend's place and drank a lot of kombucha. It was a wild time. Hope you enjoyed this random video. If you did, make sure you give it a like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. Also, follow me on Instagram, Ando Food and Fitness. Follow my private, Andy.Bentley_. Follow my podcast, at Falls Open Doors. Okay, enough plugging. I'm gonna go, but I'll see you guys next week for another video. Bye.